Good evening, everybody. Rock out here. Have a mail call package from Coxie. Already opened it, made sure that no addresses or anything. So let's see what we have here. Shackelman Cuff Club patch and Fighting Lockpicker sticker. Excellent. I did not have any Fighting Lockpicker stickers. That will be going up here momentarily. And we have this. Oh, ho, ho, sweet. Excellent. Excellent, excellent. Okay. Wanted to get into lever locks. And Coxie was kind enough to send me my first one. Super excited to learn, picking something new. Beautiful Squire lever lock. This is the first time I've ever touched a lever lock before. Awesome. Super, super excited for this. And I've got a Shackelman poker chip and the Shackelman 007 Cuff Club. That was a challenge, and it was to get a pair of handcuffs off double locked in 7 seconds or less. So I got it and got a poker chip. 007 Club. Coxie, thank you so much, my friend. Super, super excited. Put the patch up and put the sticker up and start learning how to mess with this thing. You have to make tools. I like making tools, so it'll be fun. Coxie, thank you, my friend. You guys, I'm sure you have, but if you haven't checked out Coxie, check him out. Awesome, awesome, awesome with handcuffs. And check out the Fighting Lockpicker. That dude is super cool, super supportive, doing awesome stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and I've got something new to play with. Thank you. Have a good night.